In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a contact list to Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take a file of contacts and bring it into Zoho in a clean, organized way without creating a mess of duplicates or missing information. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account. From the main navigation bar, look for the Contacts tab and click on it. This is the module where all of your contact records live, so anything we import will end up here. Once you're on the Contacts homepage, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see an Import button. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Import Contacts, or it may appear as Import Module Name, depending on your setup. This tells Zoho that you're bringing in data from an external source. Zoho will now open the Import wizard. Here, choose the option to import from File. You can either click Browse to locate your file on your computer or simply drag and drop the file into the upload area. Make sure you're using a properly formatted file, typically a CSV or similar, with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and so on. After your file is uploaded, Zoho will ask how you want to handle the data. You have three main choices. You can add everything as new records, which will create new contacts for all the rows in your file, and optionally skip ones that match existing contacts based on criteria such as email or an ID. You can update existing records only, which means Zoho will look for matches and only change what's already in your CRM. Or you can choose both, which adds new contacts that don't exist yet and updates ones that do. Pick the option that best matches your goal for this import. Next comes field mapping, which is one of the most important steps. Zoho will try to automatically match each column in your file to a field in the Contacts module. Carefully review each mapping. If you see unmapped fields, use the drop-down lists to link them to the correct Zoho fields. For any mandatory fields that might be empty in your file, you can assign default values so the import doesn't fail. Before wrapping up, you'll see some final options. Here, you can assign ownership of these contacts, set up follow-up activities, or apply tags to all imported records so you can easily filter them later. You'll also be asked to confirm that your organization complies with email consent requirements, which is important for staying within legal and best practice guidelines. When everything looks good, click Finish to start the import. The process might take a few minutes if your file is large. Once it's done, you'll receive a notification along with an import report that shows how many records were added, how many were updated, and which ones, if any, were skipped. That's all there is to it.